Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. So today I'm going to tackle about the step-by-step procedures in getting the avoidance course and avoidance speed. So here are the procedures in finding the avoidance course and avoidance speed. So for the initial plot first observation and mark it with a small letter R with the time of observation. Plot the second observation and mark it with a small letter M with the time of observation. Second, draw a line connecting the first and second observations and extend it until it either crosses or passes at the center of the compass and mark it RML. So in getting the RM, transfer the RML line to the center and always remember the origin of measurement is from R, then going towards M. So in getting SRM, measure the distance from R to M using the compass divider, then bring it to the set distance scale using the formula, which is SRM is equals to distance from R to M times 60 over time interval in minutes. For getting the bearing to CPA and BCPA, if the RML crosses to the center of the compass, the BCPA is the same as the common bearing of the contact. For easy identification, just mark it with NA. If the RML passes either side of the center of the compass, BCPA is equals to DRM plus minus 90. Note, minus if the RML is located counterclockwise from the DRM, then add if the RML is located clockwise from the DRM. To calculate the distance to CPA, if the RML crosses to the center of the compass, the distance to CPA is 0 or collision. If the RML passes either side of the compass, just measure the length between the center of the compass and the CPA. How to locate the CPA? So CPA can be located at the intersection point between the BCPA line and the RML. So to calculate the time to CPA or the TCPA, just use the formula, which is TCPA is equals to distance from R to CPA times 60 over SRM. Locate the target true course or TTC. Draw a line from E to M, then to determine the accurate course, just transfer the E to M line to the center of the compass. To calculate the target cruise speed, just use the formula, which is TTS is equals to distance from E to M times 60 over time interval in minutes. So in locate the pointing of execution or the MX, if the distance is the basis for the avoidance, just measure the desired distance from the set distance scale. Bring the first leg of the divider to the center of the compass, and the second leg must swing until it intersects the RML. The point of intersection is the position of MX. So for the new RML, draw a line from the MX tangent to the circle of the new CPA. So for the avoidance course, transfer the NRML to M, then draw the line reciprocal to the direction of the NRML. Draw an arc from R by positioning your compass divider to E and R. The intersection of the arc created during the swinging of the compass divider clockwise, and the transferred RML is the location of R1. Draw a line from E to R1 for the avoidance course or new course. To have an accurate measurement, drag the E to R1 line to the center of the compass for the avoidance course. And for the avoidance speed, the same procedure with avoidance course, but there is no need to create an arc in order to locate the R1. What you're going to do is just locate the intersection point between the E to R1 E to R line and the transferred in RML. Measure the length from E to R1, then bring the stretch of the divider to the set distance scale. Using the formula, avoidance speed is equals to distance from E to R1 times 60 over time interval in minutes.